Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Toyota Corolla fan belt. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This prevents accidental starts. Next, ensure the engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Gather your tools, including a new serpentine belt, a ratchet, and appropriate sockets. Having the right equipment makes the job much smoother and safer. Now, let's remove the old belt. Locate the serpentine belt tensioner pulley. It usually has a bolt for adjustment. Use your ratchet to loosen this bolt, which will release the tension on the belt. Once the tension is off, carefully slide the old belt off all the pulleys. Take note of the belt's routing for easier installation of the new one. With the old belt removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully route the new serpentine belt around all the pulleys, following the diagram you noted earlier or one found in your owner's manual. Make sure the belt is seated correctly in all the grooves of each pulley. Once routed, use your ratchet to apply tension to the belt via the tensioner pulley, ensuring it's snug. Before finishing, perform a final inspection. Double-check that the new belt is correctly routed and that the tension is appropriate, not too loose, not too tight. Reconnect the negative battery terminal securely. Start your Toyota Corolla's engine and listen carefully for any squealing or unusual noises. If everything sounds good, you've successfully replaced your fan belt.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.